Alright, before we start playing with our rock saws today, I found this rock. I found quite a few of them the other day up on a mountainside, and they all glow pink under a black light. Now, according to what I've looked up online, there's only two minerals that glow pink under a black light that are found in the state of Wyoming. One is Mongoan calcite, and the other one is kunzite. Now, if this is calcite, this is a calcite like no other calcite I've ever seen before. So what I'm going to do is in this black bucket, I've got muriatic acid. In this white bucket, I've got baking soda and water, which will neutralize the acid. And then in this bucket, I got water to rinse everything off. If this is Mongoan calcite, when I drop it in the acid, it should bubble and go crazy because calcite bubbles and does not react well with acid, and it will release large amounts of carbon dioxide. So, without further ado, I'll grab my tongs, grab a rock. Now, it's going to bubble a bit at first because of the water on the tongs and the outer dirt layer on this piece of stone. So I mean, it's bubbling pretty good. I don't know if that's exactly what we should have been expecting. I guess I'm going to have to look and see what kunzite's reaction to acid would be. Oh yeah, see the gases coming off of that? Yep, that must be the Mongoan calcite. I was really hoping it was kunzite, because if it was kunzite, I would have been filing a claim, and we all would have been rich. I would have made you guys rich with me. I don't know. I mean, it's bubbling, but I was expecting more of a violent reaction out of it. You can definitely see the carbon dioxide gases coming off of that. Alright, and let's dip it in here. There's a whole bunch of rocks in the bottom of this right now. Yep. Mongoan calcite. Look at the way it etched the outside of it. And then into the water. I wonder what that did to it. Put that there. Stick this over here and shine a black light on her and see how much of a difference that made to the fluorescence, because it's got that pink fluorescence. There's our black light right there. Let me unplug this so it's a little bit darker in here. Yep. Still got that brilliant pink fluorescence color. Pretty nifty. Stand that up. Doesn't like to stand on my wheel very well. I wonder what would happen if I just dropped a chunk of this in that acid bath and just left it for like an hour. I think we should try it and see what happens. The pink fluorescence is pretty cool. Okay. Well, I'm going to drop it in acid. Let's see what happens.